Hey traders, welcome back to Breaking Bread of Traders. Say you just stumbled upon this channel and you're thinking about joining our community. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we put out new content, right? So for those of you who don't know, I go by the name of Moody God or Moody Day Trader, and I hail from the land of the free state of mind. So in today's video, we're just going to do a market outlook. The market is about to open in a couple of hours. We're also going to do a little bit of trading psychology. So before we get into today's video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment where you're watching this from, and let me know if you find this video very helpful. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we are looking at gold. We are on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's zoom out. As you can see, gold is pretty much in a bearish trend. Well, as far as the M15 time frame goes, lately I've been doing a lot of trading on the M15 time frame. It's almost like I only use one time frame, guys, for real. So I'm seeing a bearish momentum on gold, and on Friday, it's unfortunate I was not in my humble office, but I had marked this zone here saying that we might have some action here, and yeah, we did have some action here. So unfortunately we missed that first part of action. However, should maybe price push back somewhere around these levels, then we can look to short the market on gold, right? So yeah, this is what I'm currently looking at. Just gonna place a rough risk to reward of 1:3. Yeah, and we get it somewhere around 2028.30. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at as far as gold is concerned. Let's look at another trade setup. Maybe let's do the British pound against the Aussie. So again, we are on the M15 time frame, and we can see that the market is pushing to the upside. So what we want is, firstly, let's check what the market is doing. Okay, the market has been buying. However, I think on Friday we closed bearish. Let's just check on the daily time frame. Yeah, we closed bearish. So this is a good sign that we are going to push to the upside. So now what we are going to look for is, I will show you just now. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. All right, okay, you see this impulsive move, and we also had another impulsive move. We can anticipate another impulsive move. So now it's all about finding the perfect spot, right? You guys know that I like to trade trading sessions, right? I like to mark my zones below the Sydney or the Asian session, right? So looking at these spots here, price had already tested this level. We had the Sydney low or Asian low here, and we also had the Asian low here, you see. So this level I'm not interested in this level. However, I'm interested in the level below. I know we have already tested this before, but this here was a fundamental move, so it doesn't concern me because I don't trade fundamentals. I trade the daily newsletter. There is a huge difference. So I'm looking at this area as my level of interest, so we can take our Fibonacci somewhere around here. Alright, and then mark with our rectangle tool so that it's more visible. Let's make it perfect because I'm a perfectionist. Yeah, and then we can apply our risk to reward tool. It's fine. The stop loss, it's fine. I'm just eyeballing it, because I'm tired. It's 3:45 and I'm up making a video for you guys. I haven't slept the whole day. All I did was take a bath and I felt very fresh. But that doesn't mean I shouldn't sleep. But it's Sunday, I'm gonna have the whole day. I'm gonna sleep the whole day. So here I'm looking for price to come somewhere around these levels before we can start pushing to the upside. You remember that third impulsive leg that I'm anticipating. So it will be best, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, because we don't always get these things right, but we try our level best to do. I would get in here. So let me just download this image, and also I don't want things that I traded last week. I don't want them at all. CADJPY, okay. CADJPY. Let's remove all the drawings because, like I said, I don't want to trade anything that I might have traded last week. So let's zoom out, close the tab and zoom out. We are pushing to the upside here. This one is pretty straightforward, right? So we're gonna see some magic happen here. Some magic. Oh shit, I think we are already at the magic line. You see, this day price closed bearish, and this day, which closed bearish on Thursday because this data here, it's Friday, right? So what we are looking for is to take a trade here. Yeah, this is my level of interest, but let me zoom out, man, so that I can see a bigger picture. Okay, we had this first impulsive move, and then we have this second impulsive move. Now we anticipate a third impulsive move. Now it's a matter of finding the perfect spot. So let me see. Okay, we closed bearish here, right? And then we closed bearish here as well. So the perfect level is this one. The perfect level is this one, guys. This is what I'm seeing. I know my eyes can deceive me sometimes, but this is what I'm seeing. So on CADJPY, I'm looking to go long at these two levels, but the level that I'm mostly interested in is this one here. Risk to reward of 1:3 is good. It's this level here. However, that doesn't mean that this level can't work out or won't work out. We don't know, guys. We don't know. We do not know, but wait for the market to open. Don't execute when the market opens, because we don't know whether the market is going to gap to the upside or downside, or there won't be any gaps. We don't know that, right? So if price gets here before London session, maybe don't take the trade, right? Maybe take the trade 2 hours into the London session. Yeah. So in South African time, the London session can be between 9 a.m. 10 a.m. ish. So 2 hours after that, it's 11 a.m. and 12 ish. So yeah, take the trade around 12. If it's somewhere around this level, buy to the upside. We anticipate this third impulsive move. However, this right here is my level of interest, my best level of interest. So let's adjust the risk to reward to meet 1:3. Let me take a screenshot of this so that, all right, CADJPY. Now let's move to another trade setup that you might have on a currency pair that I did not trade last week. CHFJPY. Let's check CHFJPY. Alright, so it seems like this week, last week I didn't analyze this because it didn't give me the option to remove the drawings. It's almost a similar trade as to the CADJPY trade. We can clearly see that the market is pushing to the upside, and the first thing that stands out is this impulsive move, and then this impulsive move. So I am now anticipating a third impulsive move, right? So now it's a matter of where do we get in for that impulsive move, right? Because if it were up to me, I would get in somewhere around here. This is the current low in this uptrend, right? And you see the way price pushed to the upside, it was more impulsive. However, the decline has been very corrective. You see, we have more candles pushing to the downside than less candles pushing to the upside. And you see this move here. If we can trading view, I don't have that thing that counts candles, or is it maybe? How did they fucking do it? Hey, you see now. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that we have less candles that are pushing to the upside for the same price range, right? This is the price range, right? Let me start it from here to here. You see this price range? We have more candles that are pushing to the downside, implying that this move is a very corrective one. You know, so people who trade trend lines, this is how you actually draw a trend line, right? So a trend line, it is drawn by, firstly, let me just put it there and zoom in. You want to connect the two recent highs, right? So these two recent highs, they stand out. You see this high and this high, they stand out. Price keeps on breaking structure to the downside. So people who trade trend lines, maybe let's say price was to do something like this and then eventually break this trend line and then come down to this level here before it can push to the upside. But man, fuck all that shit. We don't trade trend lines. We are just interested in our zone. You see this thing of trying to please everyone. I'm a sucker for pleasing everyone, so I'm just gonna delete that shit. Fuck the trend lines. Who trade trend lines in 2024? So 1:3 again. The risk to reward of 1:3 is a very good risk to reward, because now even if you lose this trade and you happen to catch another trade, you're going to make back your 1% risk, and on top of that you make 2% more. So I don't understand these forex traders, forex mentors, forex gurus who trade 1:1, 1:2. Man, that is pure gambling to me. But I'm not there, I'm here. Let me delete this. I'm not there, I'm here. I'm here on CHFJPY. Let me maybe make a screenshot. Alright, let's look at another trade. Maybe Nasdaq, because I know y'all motherfuckers trade Nasdaq. It's been a while since I actually traded Nasdaq, so I'm just going to remove the drawings. Bale. Oh, Nasdaq is pushing to the upside, eh? But let's see a bigger picture. Okay. Well, I don't care if others are seeing a bearish move. I don't care, guys. I do not give two shits. But sorry about that. But these would be my levels of interest, right? Firstly, we can clearly see this bullish run, and I don't want to include this one, although let's go on a daily time frame first. I want to see whether we had a bearish day. Yeah, man, that's what I wanted to confirm first. Okay, so in that case, then we're gonna go back to the M15 time frame, and then we're gonna take the last bullish run, the impulsive one, and then that's where we're gonna get our entry at the, what you call this, okay, this is Asian session, this is now London session overlapping with New York session, and I don't like to take trades at the lows of London nor New York session, so I'm left with, I think, this level. I think I'm left with this level. So for me, man, my brain is so slow right now. Yeah, what the fuck, trading view, y'all know I don't pay this shit, so what the fuck is wrong with y'all? Alright, so I would look to execute some buy positions somewhere around this level. Target a minimum risk to reward of 1:3. Yeah, I love this one. But you know what? Fuck that shit. Let's expand the ratio to 7. Yeah, 7 seals. 7 deadly sins. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at on NAS. Let me download the image. Maybe let's look at US30 because Mr. Dow Jones. So we'll just do this last one. Okay, price was pushing to the upside, then bearish, then now upside. So this move for me, we are pretty much in a range. This is all range to me. Let me just use this. This is all a range to me, so I'm not interested in trading a range. I don't do that. I love myself, love my capital. What should we look at? Forex again. I don't know, guys, which pairs would you like me to look at this week? Write it down in the comment section and I will look into it and I'll make a quick video and then post it, right? Because now I don't know what to look at, you know, but at least we got a couple of trade setups, you know, so you can just go back in this video and then you mark those levels, and then when price comes to those levels you execute, you know, kill it. So yeah, guys, I'm out. I'm going to sleep now. I haven't slept since yesterday, so yeah, I'm very tired. Even my energy is down. It's not that I'm often more energetic, you know, however now I just need to rest and lie down. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. So please like, subscribe, share, comment the pairs that you want me to look at. Okay, the electricity is back, the load shedding is back, but I don't experience load shedding because I have UPS, you know. UPS, it was a present from my partner, so yeah, I don't experience any load shedding, you know. Obviously I can't cook, you know, I can't plug the stove to the UPS, I can't plug the fridge to the UPS, you know, so that was the sound of the fridge, you know. And I can also switch on the lights, you know. I'm using the ring light, a USB light plugged into the UPS so that I can have this light, you know. So it's one of the best investments so that you can make as a trader, right? It's one of the best, guys, to my lie, you know. So maybe let me hit you with one of the psychology tips, so to say. As a trader, you must have a formal trading plan, and this will boost your confidence, because if you are not confident in your trading, you will be shaking. Your setups won't be reliable, you know. You'll never really know what works and why it works because there's no structure behind it. So normalize formalizing a trading plan. Normalize having a trading plan and normalize following it to the T. that thing is going to help you. Trust me. You know, you may love trading, but your results are constantly disappointing you. You are making a lot of mistakes, but I won't get into those mistakes right now, but I'll just maybe mention one or two few mistakes, because I've seen many beginner traders and also the advanced traders. They try to learn everything that exists on YouTube or on the websites about the market. And when I have a new student, I always make sure that they unlearn 90% of what they know, because that's how we make real progress. The information that you know is so saturated, guys. You have to have principles. You have to focus on those principles, because those things actually drive the market. They drive price action. So another mistake you could make is maybe not focusing on what works for you and what doesn't, because everybody just wants to trade the daily newsletter. So you need to find what works for you and what doesn't. And most traders, they don't want that. They just want to hop in between strategies. If a certain strategy doesn't work, they hop into the next one. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. You need to understand your risk profile. You need to understand the strengths and the weaknesses of whatever system that you're using. And you need to also develop a method that is based on real-time trial and errors. Real-time trial and errors. Because most traders, they don't have time to do back testing. They just want to get into the market. You need to make time. You need to make time. If you want to emancipate yourselves from the shackles of poverty, and poverty is a very strong word, but if you want to make money from this thing, you need to immerse yourself in it. This thing is a business, man. You need to look at it in that way. The business. That's all there is to it. So yeah, treat it like a business. Don't overtrade. Trade less. It will often help you become more selective with your entries, and obviously it will help you improve your win rate. I trade less. When I started Forex in 2016, man, I wanted to trade all the currency pairs. Maybe in a week I would trade like 17, 15 setups, and the market chowed me. Hey, I was food to the market. But nowadays I don't mind taking one setup a week. I don't mind at all. It's all about compounding. It's not about quantity. It's about quality, guys. You see? So always work on being more selective. Trade only the best trades, the best setups. The setups will come to you. They are coming to you in the Breaking Bread with Traders group, right? Because I trade what I see, not what I think. And I won't always be right. That's a fact. That's one thing I love about the financial markets. That's one thing I love about Forex, foreign exchange. This thing will teach you who you are. It will reveal the real you. If you are greedy, it will reveal that. Because most people, they come into this thing and they think, oh, I'm gonna make bank, and flee the scenery, and then they happen to make bank. Maybe with one of the setups I shared, they make bank. But instead of sitting on their hands when there are no setups, they wanna trade CPI now. Even you say CPI, now you are back to square one. You lost the profits that you had made that week because of a silly mistake, not sitting on your hands when there are no trades. You are chasing the quantity, not the quality. That's fucked up, my boy. Anyways, it's my cue for me to bounce. So guys, it's almost 4:15 in the morning. This forest thing, cloud. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. I love you, and I wish you all the best in trading. So if you found this video very helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. It's Mood Bro God signing out. Peace in the Middle East. Love y'all. Don't forget to comment the currency pair that you want me to look at, or indices, or metals, or stocks, whatever. I trade everything. Okay? I love you guys. Bye.